Yo, what's up everybody? It's Simplicity, and today I will show you the top 10 laptops that are perfect for medical students in 2024, considering factors like performance, battery life, portability, and price, specifically for all you future doctors out there. Med school is tough, and the last thing you need is your laptop disgracing you. That's why choosing the right laptop is crucial for acing those exams and staying on top of your academic. To be honest, choosing the perfect and best laptop is compulsory for all medical students to excel in their medical school, isn't it? Therefore, I've got options ranging from budget-friendly to top-tier at promo price today, so act fast. A stitch in time saves 9, so whether you're dissecting digital anatomy models or just need a reliable machine for taking notes, stick around because I'm breaking down the top 10 laptops perfectly tailored for all you medical students in 2024. All right, kicking things off at number 1, we've got the Apple MacBook Air M2. This laptop is not just a device, it's a statement of efficiency and style. It's like the anatomy textbook of laptops, essential and always reliable. Whether you're a student or a professional, this machine is designed to meet your needs. The M2 chip, crazy fast, handling massive medical textbooks and 3D anatomy models effortlessly. It's built to manage heavy workloads without breaking a sweat. Plus, the battery life is insane, lasting from morning lectures to late-night study sessions. You can rely on it to keep up with your busiest days. The MacBook Air has that sleek, premium design that screams professionalism. It's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for carrying around campus or to meetings. And that Retina display? Perfect for staring at medical diagrams for hours without straining your eyes. The clarity and color accuracy are top-notch, enhancing your viewing experience. Sure, MacBooks can be pricey, but they're built to last, making them a solid investment. When you consider the longevity and performance, the cost is justified. With performance and battery life this good, you might not even need to upgrade for years. It's a device that grows with you, adapting to your increasing demands. The MacBook Air M2 is a workhorse ready to tackle anything, making it a top contender for medical students in 2024. It's not just a laptop, it's a reliable partner in your academic and professional journey. Coming in at number 2, we have the Dell XPS 13, a laptop that has consistently impressed users with its blend of style and substance. It's all about that clean, minimalist design and powerful performance, making it a top choice for professionals and students alike. The XPS 13 packs the latest Intel processors, handling multitasking between research papers, medical software, and streaming lectures with ease. Whether you're running complex simulations or just browsing the web, this laptop can handle it all without breaking a sweat. Dell's display is sharp, vibrant, and perfect for long hours of studying. The high resolution ensures that every detail is crystal clear, which is essential for reading detailed medical diagrams or watching high-definition videos. The XPS 13 is incredibly compact, making it perfect for cramped lecture halls or studying on the go. Its lightweight design means you can carry it around all day without feeling weighed down. Solid build quality ensures it can handle everyday student life. From being tossed into a backpack to being used in various environments, this laptop is built to last. Battery life is good, getting you through a full day of classes. You won't have to worry about finding a power outlet in the middle of a lecture or study session. Overall, the Dell XPS 13 is a fantastic option for medical students who prioritize portability and performance without sacrificing style. Its sleek design ensures you look professional, whether you're in the classroom or at a coffee shop. It's a reliable companion for your medical school journey, providing the tools you need to succeed academically while also being a joy to use. At number 3, we have the Microsoft Surface Laptop 5, a device that seamlessly blends style, performance, and functionality. If you're a note-taker, the Surface Pen integration is a game changer. It allows you to jot down notes, sketch ideas, and annotate documents with ease. The pen is incredibly responsive, making it feel like you're writing on actual paper. This natural feel enhances productivity and creativity. The touchscreen display makes taking notes, annotating documents, or drawing anatomical diagrams natural and intuitive. The high-resolution screen ensures clarity and precision. It's also a powerful machine with the latest Intel processors, handling demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're multitasking or running complex software, it performs flawlessly. Battery life is excellent, lasting through a full day of classes. You won't have to worry about finding a power outlet during your busy schedule. The design is understated but elegant, with a comfortable Alcantara fabric on the keyboard deck. This fabric not only looks good, but also feels great to the touch. If you value a premium note-taking experience alongside solid performance and battery life, the Microsoft Surface Laptop 5 is worth considering. It combines all these features into a sleek, portable package. It's a versatile tool for any medical student, offering the flexibility to adapt to various study environments and learning styles. The Surface Laptop 5 truly stands out as a top choice. Click the link in the description to get your preferred laptop at a promo price today. Also, subscribe to this channel and click the like button so YouTube can always inform you whenever I upload more amazing videos like this. Ask your questions in the comments. Coming in at number 4 is the HP Spectre X36014. This laptop is all about versatility, functioning as both a traditional laptop and a tablet. The HP Tilt Pen is perfect for note-taking during lectures. The OLED display option offers vibrant colors and deep blacks, ideal for detailed medical images. Performance-wise, it packs the latest Intel processors, handling anything you throw at it. Battery life is solid, lasting through a full day of classes. The Spectre X360 is a versatile machine that adapts to your needs. Whether you're taking notes, watching medical documentaries, or getting serious work done, it's got you covered. If you value versatility, the HP Spectre X36014 is definitely worth checking out. All right, coming in at number 5, we have the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12. Known for its durability, it's EMIL STD 810H certified, ready for anything. It's incredibly light and portable, perfect for carrying around campus. ThinkPad keyboards are legendary, comfortable, and responsive. Powered by the latest Intel processors, it handles demanding tasks with ease. Battery life is phenomenal, lasting all day and then some. The X1 Carbon is a pricier option, but its durability, performance, and legendary keyboard make it a worthwhile investment. It's built to withstand the rigors of medical school and beyond. For those who demand the best, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 is a top choice. At number 6, we have the Asus ZenBook 14. It strikes a balance between performance, portability, and affordability. Powered by the latest AMD Ryzen processors, it handles everyday tasks and multitasking with ease. Battery life is impressive, lasting through a full day of classes. The OLED display offers vibrant colors and deep blacks, perfect for late-night study sessions. Despite its slim profile, it has a comfortable keyboard and spacious trackpad. If you're looking for a well-rounded laptop that offers great value, the Asus ZenBook 14 is worth considering. It's a reliable companion for your medical school journey. Coming in at number 7, we have the Acer Swift 3. It's all about giving you the most bang for your buck. Powered by the latest Intel processors, it handles everyday tasks and multitasking with ease. Battery life is surprisingly good, lasting through a full day of classes. The Swift 3 might not have the most premium design, but it's a solid and reliable machine. If you're on a tight budget and don't want to sacrifice performance or battery life, the Acer Swift 3 is worth checking out. It's a budget-friendly option that gets the job done. At number 8, we have the LG Gram 14. This laptop is all about portability, incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Despite its lightweight design, it's durable and MIL STD 810H certified. Powered by the latest Intel processors, it handles everyday tasks and multitasking with ease. Battery life is phenomenal, lasting all day and then some. The Gram 14 has a beautiful display with thin bezels, offering an immersive viewing experience. The keyboard is comfortable to type on despite the slim profile. If you prioritize portability and battery life without sacrificing performance, the LG Gram 14 is worth considering. It's a lightweight and durable companion for your medical school journey. Coming in at number 9, we have the Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch. This is for those who demand the absolute best and don't mind paying a premium. Packing Apple's powerful M2 Pro or Max chips, it handles professional-grade tasks effortlessly. The Liquid Retina XDR display with ProMotion offers smooth scrolling and a super fast refresh rate. Battery life is phenomenal, lasting through a full day of heavy use. The MacBook Pro 14-inch is an investment, but it's built to keep up with you for years to come. For serious medical students, this is the one. And rounding out our list at number 10, we have the Google Pixelbook Go. It's a Chromebook running on Chrome OS, perfect for cloud-based work. Lightweight with a fantastic keyboard and phenomenal battery life. Affordable and secure, it's great for everyday tasks like browsing, writing papers, and streaming lectures. If you primarily live in the cloud, the Pixelbook Go is a surprisingly good option. No need to worry about viruses or malware, and updates happen automatically. For a lightweight, affordable, and secure laptop, the Google Pixelbook Go is worth considering. It's a wildcard, but a solid choice for cloud-based work. Click the link in the description to get your preferred laptop at a promo price today. Also, subscribe to this channel and click the like button so YouTube can always inform you whenever I upload more amazing videos like this. Ask your questions in the comments. Happy studying.